What we have here today is a 36-inch Encon Crompton Greaves Princess industrial ceiling fan. The fan dates to around the mid to late 70s. This, of course, is another revisit video. My original video was with no commentary was done around 2.5 years ago. So here is a remake with commentary. Motor on the fan is cast aluminum, very small in diameter. Overall diameter is around 5.5 inches. Blades on the fan are stamped steel. Of course, they have the signature upward sweep to them, characteristic of all Crompton Greaves model fans. There's the curvature to the blade. Canopies, both upper and lower, are made of plastic, typical J-hook mount. These are a pretty hard to find fan, these Princess Industrials. The 36-inch model here is the most commonly found one, and they also apparently made a 29-inch model as well. Those are way much harder to find than these are, and these are extremely hard to find in themselves. So I think they were only available in the mid to late 70s. Seems like a pretty short-lived model. So for purposes of testing, we're going to be using a 5-speed choke style wall control. And let's start things up. Start up on low. This fan does have some pretty decent bearing noise, which is to be expected for ball bearings that have been used for 40 plus years. Take it to speed number 2. Go to speed number 3. Speed number 4. And full blast. Of course, being a Crompton Greaves fan, it is a pretty good performer. Virtually no wobble, which is kind of surprising since these blades are a bit out of alignment. Bearing noise isn't too bad, but they're definitely worn. I'm not sure if the capacitor, being 45 years old, is likely drifting on this thing, so it probably isn't going as fast as it should be. Seems like we're cruising along right here at around about 260, 270 RPM if I were to guess. So we'll go and let it coast. You'll see that this thing has a pretty quick spin down because of the bearings being as worn as they are. Definitely could stand to be replaced. And there you have it, folks. There's the 36-inch Encon Crompton Greaves Princess industrial ceiling fan from the mid to late 1970s. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Stay cool. Take care. Peace.